Hello, I am back with a new show called as Showcase. Basically, in this show, we'll be showcasing a vehicle that is combining a review and a walk around of the vehicle, and we'll be bringing it to you in a very short package. At least we'll try. So, to begin this show, we have bought an excellent car, which is the all new 2020 Hyundai Verna Diesel. This car comes to us courtesy of Kanchan Hyundai Mangalore, and special thanks to Geethan Mario who has bought this car to us. If you are living in or around Mangalore and you are thinking of buying a Hyundai car, you should contact him. His details are provided in the description as well, and he will advise you through your purchase. Now let's get straight into the video. The all new 2021 now looks much more premium than ever before. The new grille with dark chrome accents, the headlights which are now LEDs, and the DRLs that are integrated into the headlamps all add up to the charm of the car. The turn signals and the fog lamps are still not LED but still look great on the car. The all new 1.5 litre CRDI diesel engine now produces a maximum power of 113 bhp and a maximum torque of 250 Nm, and it is mated to a 6-speed manual or torque converter transmissions. The mirrors are auto folding and have integrated turn signals into them. Coming to the side profile of the car, it has many chrome elements that add to the styling of the car. And at the back is where the design really shines, because these tail lamps don't look like they belong on this car, they look like they belong on a car that is much more expensive. Other than that, there are rear defoggers and sunshades. There are rear parking sensors and dark chrome bits on the rear bumper. The shark fin antenna adds up to the styling. And then there are 16-inch 5-spoke diamond cut alloy wheels. And the boot space is massive with 465 liters of space. The key is premium looking and has features such as horn and boot release in it. The request sensor is found only on the driver's side. Moving into the interior is very premium. The dashboard looks very attractive. Although the dashboard is mostly made out of hard plastics, it has automatic climate controls, auto dimming inside rear view mirror. It also comes in with ample amount of storage room inside the car, including cup holders and other storage areas. There is storage even under the armrest. There are storage on all 4 doors. There is a sunglass holder on the rooftop. There is a chilled glove box with a card holder. The infotainment system is very well equipped, and it is equipped with Bluelink that comes from Hyundai, and it also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and has several speakers inside. The infotainment system can be used with the help of the steering mounted controls, and the cruise control can be activated with them as well. The reverse camera comes with adaptive guidelines. The instrument console on this car looks very attractive. It looks like it's from a sports car. It shows you all the essential details, including the tach and the speedometer. There is also one more interesting feature, that is, it shows through an animation which door is being exactly opened or closed. There is wireless and wired charging. There are vanity mirrors on both driver and co-driver sunshades. The seats are ventilated for the driver and the co-driver, that will allow you to cool your you-know-what when it's hot. And they can be manually height or reach adjusted. My friend here is 6 foot tall and he can sit comfortably inside the car. And while he was sitting in the front seat, me being 5 feet 10 inches, I could sit comfortably in the rear seat. There was just about enough legroom inside the car. And then there is one more feature inside the car, that is the sunroof. The sunroof opens with a single touch and also closes with a single touch. The sunroof is not the biggest, but it is big enough. At the rear, we get a center armrest with cup holders, and the rear headrests are adjustable, and there are also rear AC vents available. We have driven and been inside the car, so the car feels amazing inside and outside, and it feels amazing to drive. The car looks and feels very premium. The new 1.5 CRDI engine is reduced in terms of displacement from the previous generation, but does not feel underpowered. The car feels really great to drive and handles much better than the older generation of the Verna. When the car is in idle, the engine noise does not creep into the cabin. I almost felt like the engine was off most of the time when we were just talking inside the car. Believe me. Pros of the car. The car is more refined than before. It looks really premium. The car handles much better than before. The seats are extremely comfortable, and the ventilated seat features are really awesome. And let's not forget our favorite feature, which is it has a sunroof. Coming to the cons. Although the car handles much better than the previous generation, there are still room for improvements in terms of high-speed cornering stability, and the legroom for the rear could have been improved because it is not the best in the class, although the seats are extremely comfortable. Even though the dashboard looks very premium and appealing, it is mostly made out of hard plastics, so this could have been improved. So overall, the car was a wonderful experience for us, and it felt awesome to drive. And if I was planning to buy this car, I would definitely not look anywhere else. So this was the showcase of the 2020 all-new Hyundai Verna Diesel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions for us, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay notified. So we will meet again. See you next time.